Hello friends, my name is Dr. Tushayu Prasad. I am a consultant in the Emergency Medicine Department at Wokhart Hospitals, Mira Road. 29 September is globally celebrated as World Heart Day. We celebrate World Heart Day to raise awareness about the burden of cardiovascular diseases that exists in our community. It is a very important issue simply because almost 24 to 25% of age adjusted deaths are attributed to cardiovascular diseases. What is a cardiovascular disease? A cardiovascular disease is a disease wherein the blood supply to the heart is either narrowed or in some cases it has totally stopped, giving rise to symptoms like chest pain, like shortness of breath, like heart failure, and in some cases abnormal heartbeats and arrhythmias. What are the four most common type of cardiovascular diseases? Number one is the coronary artery disease, as we call it. Number two is a heart failure. Number three is an abnormal beating heart giving rise to arrhythmias. In some cases they turn out to be fatal. And number four is a heart attack. In extreme cases it can lead to sudden death. It is important for all of us to understand the risk factors that may give rise to cardiovascular disease. There are a few common risk factors that are seen in patients of cardiovascular diseases. Number one is the age more than 50 to 55 years. Number two is gender, male gender. Number three is sedentary lifestyle or physical inactivity. Number four is smoking. Number five is poor diet. Number six is high blood pressure. Number seven is diabetes. And number 8 is family history of cardiovascular diseases in the family. And number 9 is high cholesterol levels. If you have any of these risk factors and you have the following features, you may need a screening. The features are chest pain at exertion, shortness of breath on exertion, pain going to the arms, pain going to the throat or jaw, swelling over feet and limbs, abnormal beats, feeling extremely tired and dizzy. If you have any of these features, you should get yourself screened at the hospital. The screening process involves doing some basic tests like an ECG, like cardiac enzymes, which detects for increased chemicals which are due to heart injury, getting a echocardiography done, and in some cases you may require cardiac angiography to see for blockages in the vessels that supply the heart. At Wokhart Hospital's Mira Road emergency room, we have a dedicated chest pain protocol wherein every patient who comes to us with any of these high risk features, we immediately get an ECG done, and depending on the ECG we decide what category of patient will this be. If the ECG is suggestive of high risk or suggestive of a heart attack, we immediately activate our code green, which is a code dedicated for heart attacks. We aim to get this patient to the cath lab where the angiography or angioplasty is done by our cardiologist. Our time limit in maximum cases is 60 minutes. The world benchmark is 90 minutes. Consistently we've been able to touch the 60-minute mark, which has proven to give us good outcomes. I wish you a very happy World Heart Day, and I assure you that at Wokhart Hospital's Mira Road we are always ready to take care of you and to make sure that you are hale and hearty. Thank you.